It is material delivery time. The crew getting started with the tear-off of the old roof job keeps moving fast. Tarps all around the house to protect plants, AC units, and walkways. Underlayment in place. Roof partially completed for pre-inspection. Working on the final touches. Two of our fantastic crew members in action. Roof is looking good. Cleanup time all over. At the end, a happy and satisfied customer in Oviedo.